In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Zillow support. First, we need to visit the official Zillow Help Center. You can do this by typing in the web address zillow.help. This page is a hub for all the support resources Zillow offers. As you enter the Help Center, you will see a user-friendly layout with various options. You can browse through help articles and find answers to common questions. This is useful because it can save you time if your question has already been answered. Additionally, there's a guided support tool available. This tool helps you navigate to the correct contact option based on your particular issue. It ensures you get the help you need efficiently. Next, if you find that you need further assistance, the next step is to submit a support request. To do this, you will want to open the Zillow Contact Us page by typing in zillow.help/contact-us. Here, you will be prompted to select a category that best matches your issue. Options include home buyer, seller, or owner, renter, landlord, or property manager, and real estate professional. Choosing the right category is essential because it directs your request to the appropriate team. After selecting your category, fill out the contact form with your details and provide a clear description of the issue you're facing. This helps Zillow support understand your situation better. Once you have completed the form, submit your request. You will need to wait for a response from Zillow support, which typically happens within a reasonable time frame. Now, let's discuss contacting Zillow by phone, specifically for brokerage or MLS inquiries. This is important if you have questions that require immediate attention or if you prefer speaking directly to a representative. For this purpose, Zillow has a dedicated phone number you can call. That number is 877-313-8601. When you call this number, you will likely be prompted to navigate through an automated system. Make sure to listen carefully to the options provided. This will ensure you reach the right department quickly. Speaking directly with a support representative can sometimes resolve issues more efficiently than waiting for an email response. After you have contacted Zillow, either through the Help Center or by phone, it's a good idea to keep an eye on your email. Zillow will often send a confirmation to acknowledge that they have received your inquiry. This confirmation can provide you with peace of mind, knowing your request is being processed. If you don't receive a response within a few days, don't hesitate to follow up. This shows your continued interest in resolving the issue and keeps your request top of mind for the support team. Remember, reaching out for help is a normal part of using a service like Zillow, and they are there to assist you. In summary, whether you choose to browse the Help Center, submit a support request online, or contact Zillow by phone, you have multiple options at your disposal. Each method has its own advantages, allowing you to choose what works best for your situation. Following these steps ensures you will get the support you need effectively. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find this guide helpful when contacting Zillow support.